Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making Jamaican cornmeal pudding. And you know, cornmeal pudding, we Jamaican love pudding, especially coming to Easter time. So this is a great way for all those who does not eat bun. You can go ahead and you can make cornmeal pudding or potato pudding for Easter. So today I'm gonna show you how I make my cornmeal pudding, and it's just simple ingredients, but you want to make sure you got everything, guys, that you need to be used for this pudding. So alright guys, so over here I got my natural coconut milk, I've got my vanilla, I've got some cinnamon, nutmeg, cornmeal, spelt, flour, salt, and I got my brown sugar. So let's get started, guys. So now we're gonna sieve the cornmeal. I'm just gonna pour it in there and sieve it. I'm just making a small pudding, so that's all right. So you need to sieve your cornmeal, guys. So you could get, if you got fine cornmeal, that's fine, but I only got this one, so I'm just gonna use what I have. All right, so yes, I'm just gonna sieve it and just sieve it, so make sure there's no clumps and all of that, you know, in your pudding. So just sieve it just like this. As you can see, still got that bit. You're gonna chuck that away. And now I'm gonna sieve my flour. A pinch of salt. Nutmeg and cinnamon. You're gonna make sure everything is sieved through. So I'm just gonna move it a bit closer so you guys can see. So yes, so what the flour does, guys, the flour helps to bind the cornmeal together, so you won't get a hard pudding, right? So at this time, guys, after I finish sieve this, I'm going to turn my oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or you can put a gas mark 6, right? So yes. You just want to sieve everything to make sure there's no clump. Okay. All right now, guys, so what we're gonna do now, so we got coconut milk here. We're gonna add the vanilla and the coconut milk, and we're also gonna add the sugar. And I'm just using half cup of sugar because I don't like my pudding too sweet. So yes, so I'm just gonna use half cup of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. So I'm just gonna add the sugar to the coconut milk. And I'm gonna make sure everything is dissolved properly. We're gonna mix it, guys. Make sure the sugar is all dissolved in the coconut milk. Right? You don't want no sugar to left back in the milk. And I'm also gonna save some of this liquid, the coconut milk with the vanilla and sugar, to put on top. So you have that little slushy, in Jamaica we call it the slush top, whatever, something like that, yeah. So yes. Alright, so everything is dissolved now. So we're gonna combine the wet with the dry ingredients. Alright, so we're gonna make sure everything is incorporated, make sure everything is mixed and combined together before you add the wet mixture in. And you don't need no baking powder, guys. No baking powder whatsoever. I don't need that. So guys, this is the consistency. This is the batter that you need for the cornmeal pudding. And I also added some coconut trash in there. You know, the trash from the coconut. Yes, I added some in there because I love coconut trash. So what I'm going to do now, guys, we're going to pour it in the baking tray. So we're going to remove this, and I'm going to place my baking tray here, and I oil it with some, I put some coconut oil in there so it won't stick. So I'm going to pour a batter in. And then we're going to bake it for an hour or until done at 350°F, gas mark 6 on your stove, right? So yes, so when this dry, guys, I'm going to show you after when I'm going to add this slush top. Yeah, so all right, we're going to put this in the oven now. So guys, this is the final product of my Jamaican cornmeal pudding, and yeah, it smells so good. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut it so you can see what it looks like from the inside. Wow. It's got the thing on top. Wow. Oh yes, yummy and clean, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. Wow. I'm gonna have, looks so good, guys. Tastes good. So yeah, guys, if you like this recipe, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Please turn your post notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. So no, go and stay healthy, guys. You know the motto, health is wealth. No, go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned for more content coming out. So until then, guys, no, big up on yourself. Bye.